For this week discussion, I will discuss about one of the biggest security breach for Capital One in 2019. A little background info of the incident. It occurred on March 22nd and 23rd of 2019. It was considered one of the biggest breach ever for the company. It affected more than 106 million customers. 100 million of those are in the United States, and 6 million customer are in Canada. The hackers stole about 140,000 social security numbers and 80,000 bank account numbers. In addition to tens of millions of credit card application was stolen, the hacker breach compromised 1 million Canadian social insurance numbers, which is the equivalent of the social security numbers for the Americans. The bank estimated that this breach would cost roughly about 150 million to monitor and repay for those affected customers. Because the hacker had stolen information goes as far from early 2005 to 2019. The person behind the hack is named Paige Thompson. She lives in Seattle. She is 33 years old, and she's a former software engineer for Amazon Web Services, which is the host of the Capital One database. Okay, as you can see, she had experiences, and she's an expert in developing and programming the server. The behind the scene of how she was hacked into Capital One server, an FBI agent who investigated the breach mentioned that Ms. Thompson was able to hack the server because of a misconfiguration of a firewall on a web application. Because of Amazon is the host of their database, but a large enterprise like Capital One built their own web applications and security wall in a specific way that best fit their needs. Okay, and so Capital One has the full access, control, and monitoring all the activities that flow in and out of the server. So if there was a hack or if there was a breach, Capital One would get notified. Then they will be responsible for all the configuration and troubleshooting. Fortunately, Ms. Thompson left a lot of steps and evidences of how she hacked into the server, and she was arrested in the summer of 2019.